Hello everyone, welcome to Virakti Education. So here we have a question that 1 plus 1 minus 1 plus 1. Okay, so most people solve this question like 1 plus 1 is equal to 2. Then again 1 plus 1 is equal to 2. Now 2 is equal to 0. But here this answer is not correct. This answer is completely wrong. So now let's solve this problem correctly by using a PEMDAS rule. Okay, PEMDAS PEMDAS. According to PEMDAS, first priority is parentheses, second priority is exponents, third priority is multiplication and division. Here multiplication and division both have equal priority, so we have to solve it from left to right. Fourth and last priority is addition and subtraction. Also addition and subtraction both have equal priority, so we have to solve it from left to right. Okay. So in this question, we have one addition, one subtraction, and one addition. Okay. So all have equal priority, so we have to solve it from left to right. So first we have to solve this addition. Okay, so is equal to 1 plus 1 is equal to 2 minus 1 plus 1. Now here is one subtraction and here is one addition. So addition and subtraction both have equal priority, so we have to solve it from left to right. So first we have to solve this part. Okay, so 2 minus 1 is equal to 1 plus 1. Now 1 plus 1 is equal to 2. So the correct answer is 2. Okay. If you like this solution, please like, share and subscribe Virakti Education YouTube channel, and also do not forget to comment your answer. Thanks for watching this video.